Hi kids, welcome to Enhance Your Learning Environmental Studies for Grade 2, Unit 2, My Family and Friends, Lesson 7, Festivals We Celebrate. In last class, we have seen some of the festivals like Diwali, Dasra, Holi, Christmas, Eid al-Fitr and Guru Purab. In this class, we are going to see about Durga Puja, Onam, Pongal, Bihu, Ganesh Chaturthi and Baisakhi festivals. Okay kids? First one is Durga Puja. So Durga Puja is celebrated mainly in West Bengal. Okay? Durga Puja is celebrated mainly in West Bengal and it is celebrated for 10 days. So what they will do during this festival means they will make a big or huge pandals, okay, pandals or pandals, okay, with idols of Durga, the goddess of strength. Durga is the goddess of strength, okay. So the Durga idols will be decorated for 9 days and kept in the pandals, okay. On 10th day, they will immerse the idols in the river or sea. Okay kids, Durga Puja is celebrated in West Bengal and they will celebrate it for 10 days. Huge pandals with idols of Durga will be decorated and kept for 9 days and on the 10th day they will immerse the idol in the river or sea. Okay kids, next one is Onam. Onam is the main festival of Kerala. It falls in the month of August or September and they will celebrate this festival for 10 days and they believe that King Mahabali will come and visit their home at this time. Okay, people decorate their houses with rangoli which is made from flowers. They will use different color flowers to make rangoli in front of their home because they believe that King Mahabali will come and visit their houses at the time of Onam. Okay. Then people decorate the elephant and they will hold snake boat race. Okay. This is called snake boat race. So this they will keep at the time of Onam. Okay. And payasam is the payasam. Okay. Payasam is the main sweet dish which will be prepared in every home during this Onam season. Okay. So Onam is the main festival of Kerala. It falls in the month of August and September. They'll celebrate it for 10 days and they have the belief that King Mahabali will come and visit their houses during this time and they will decorate their homes with different kind of flowers. They will put rangoli by using different kinds of flowers, okay, and they will decorate the elephants and they will conduct a snake boat race, okay, snake boat race. Payasam is a sweet dish they will prepare during Onam. Okay kids, next one is Pongal. Pongal is the main festival of Tamil Nadu. It falls in January, okay. They will celebrate this Pongal for 3 days. There are 3 different kinds of Pongal: Bohi Pongal, Surya Pongal and Mattu Pongal. Bohi Pongal, Surya Pongal and Mattu Pongal. Okay, what they will do in this Bohi Pongal? They will discard all their old belongings, okay, and they will whitewash their home and they will keep everything clean, okay. And second day, they will celebrate Surya Pongal. They will use earthen pot to make a Pongal dish, okay. So they will keep this earthen pot facing the sun, okay, facing the sun to worship sun as God. Third day they will celebrate Mattu Pongal. So during this Mattu Pongal, cattle will be decorated with flower garlands. Then they'll decorate the horns of the cattle by painting, okay. Then they will provide different dishes like bananas, some sweet dishes to cattle, and finally they will worship cattle. Bullfighting is a special attraction of Pongal festival. Okay, what is this bullfighting? Have you seen this game? This is called bullfighting. Okay, so here human participants will try to stop this bull by grabbing their hump which is on the back. Okay, so whoever stop the bull, they are the winner of the game. Okay, that is called bullfighting. It is the special attraction of Pongal festival. Okay kids, so Pongal is the main festival of Tamil Nadu. It falls in January. It is celebrated for 3 days. So there are 3 different Pongal for 3 days: Bogi Pongal, Surya Pongal and Mattu Pongal. Next one is Bihu. Bihu is the main festival of Assam. On this festival, women wear colorful saris, they sing folk songs and dances. People make different special dishes like Pita and Jolpan. This is called Pita and this is called Jolpan. These are all the sweet dishes they will prepare during this Bihu festival. So Bihu means it is the main festival of Assam. So during this festival, the women will wear colorful saris and they will sing folk songs and dance. People make and eat special dishes like Pita. This is called Pita and this is called Jolpan. Next one is Ganesh Chaturthi. So this Ganesh Chaturthi is mainly celebrated in Maharashtra. Okay, the main festival of Maharashtra is Ganesh Chaturthi. Even this Ganesh Chaturthi will be celebrated in different states of India, but mainly it is celebrated in Maharashtra. Okay, during this time, Lord Ganesha is worshipped for 10 days. The idols of Ganesha are immersed in the river or the sea. Okay, in the same way, one more festival is there. What is that? It is Durga Puja. Okay, on the 10th day of Durga Puja, they will immerse the idols of Durga into the river or sea. The same way, Ganesh Chaturthi also they will celebrate for 10 days. Finally, they will immerse the Ganesha idols in the river or sea. Okay, the last festival is Baisakhi. Okay, the last festival is Baisakhi. This is the harvest festival of Punjab. Okay, the harvest festival of Punjab is Baisakhi. It falls in the month of April. People take out processions and perform Bhangra dance. Okay, people perform Bhangra dance during this Baisakhi festival. Understood? And do you think only this many festivals are there in India? No, as I told already, it's a land of festival. It has different culture, different religion. Okay, so everybody will be celebrating different festivals in different time period. But only important festivals I covered, and there are many more festivals like Navratri, Easter, Raksha Bandhan. There are many more festivals. Okay, so you should know at least some of the important festival. Okay kids, if you have any doubt, you can go through my previous videos to understand the different festivals celebrated in India. Okay kids, if you like my videos, subscribe to enhance your learning. Thank you.